Whose bike's this?
This is Eisel, Bernard Eisel. It's a classic bike. It's made for the classics.
And what's the difference? Fork rake?
Difference would be there's a different fork in it, has a little bit more comfort because of the cobblestones. Makes the frame a little bit longer. Special seat post, more flexible.
Dropouts? Solid dropouts?
Yes, as well. Different tires, different wheels. Crossed over just to make it stronger.
How many spokes?
28. That's where they go in 60 normally. So
New tape?
it's double, also to make it more little bit more comfortable.
Ready for Tour of Flanders?
More or less, yes. Now the legs has to turn.
You leave it a ride?
I'm gonna test the gears just to be sure. That's when I get on the saddle. Vamos.